Okay, so it's 10:10 p.m. and I'm all set, well, almost all set to leave for Ahmedabad, and from Ahmedabad I'll be going to Rann of Kutch. From Rann of Kutch I'll be going to Chandigarh, and from Chandigarh I'll be going to Manali. That's the plan, and I'm not going alone. I'm going with my friend Zishan, Wasim, Kaleem, Zayed, and I'm almost ready. I just need to wear my riding gears, which is over there. And you know what? I'll just show you what all things I am carrying, which I always do. Okay. So these are my boots. This is my panniers. ये वाले panniers में my clothes and my slippers. ये वाले panniers में I have all the electronics, chargers and selfie sticks and all that. These are my, ये मेरा boxer है जो मैं पहनने वाला हूँ, and this is the t-shirt which I'm going to be wearing inside the jacket. My riding gear. This is my Triumph riding pants and this is my Triumph riding jacket. They are all season, so summers में थोड़ी problem हो जाती है. This is my Dirtsack Frogman tail bag. A must buy if you travel a lot. इसके अंदर this is my drone and my laptop bag. ये क्या है? Oh no, this is just a cover for the helmet. This is my helmet, my Soul helmet. This is my GoPro and Bluetooth already there. And this is my BBG riding gloves, my Rhinox tank bag. इसके अंदर मेरा ये वाला जो कैमरा है ये इसके अंदर जाने वाला है. This is just the gloves which I'm not going to carry, and this is my this camera's charger. What I'll do, I'll just get ready. I'll just put everything, this panniers, the tail bag and everything on the bike, because right now it's 10:15 and I need to be near the Hub Mall in Goregaon at 11:30 because we are supposed to leave at 12 o'clock. Okay, so my bike is completely ready. The panniers is on, the Frogman is on. Too hot, it's too humid right now. Okay, so this is the completely new setup for this helmet. मैंने नया mic डाला है, सब कुछ किया है, so I don't know how clear the audio is. I hope the audio is clean and crisp. Otherwise बहुत problem हो जाएगा editing के time पे. So yeah, 11:15 left from Powai, in Powai right now. अब I don't know how I'll reach Hub Mall in 15 minutes, but I have to. वैसे भी 12 बजे निकलना है from there, so and जब भी you are getting late सारे signal लगेंगे. Lovely. Okay, I'll take that back. ये थोड़ा अभी पैनियर्स के साथ ऐसा राइड करने में थोड़ा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज बहुत टाइम बाद पैनियर्स लगा के चला रहा हूँ. है दिल है मुश्किल जीना, यहाँ ट्रैफिक वहाँ ट्रैफिक, ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान. डंग 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 डंग. So it's 12:25 in the night, and I don't know whether you can understand or no. My voice is completely gone because I was screaming from past half an hour. Anyways, Mohsin, one of my subscriber. Yeah. So the thing was that Wasim came late. Everybody came late actually, besides Kaleem and me. Anyways, but there was a reason. I'm not blaming them. It happens usually because they're riding after a very long time. So Wasim का कोई issue नहीं था. Zishan का issue था कि उसका tank bag fit नहीं हो रहा था. So his tank bag is sorted. Sorry. So Zishan, tank bag sorted.
एक नंबर भाई.
Bluetooth connected.
Yes.
Zayed, hey, horn मत मारो. So Zayed has a issue with the saddle bag because actually he's using my saddle bag from the Duke. So obviously CBR में थोड़ा तो problem आएगा. You sorted?
Yeah.
Ready? Wasim, ready? एक मिनट यार.
Yeah.
Ready? क्या कर रहा है यार? Okay, so सब लोग zero करो. Zero कर. Wasim, zero कर, zero. Ready?
Yes.
Yeah. So it's 12:30 in the night, and we have left for Ahmedabad, Rann of Kutch, and Manali. So we might get delay near the Fountain Hotel because they are doing the construction of the bridge near the Ghodbunder Road. So I hope we don't get delay over here. I guess we can go. Yes, we can go. Thank God there is no traffic over here. अगर थोड़ा लेट आते ना तो बैंड बज जाती. ये देखो गाइस, it's been like 3 kilometers and there's still traffic. So हम लोग की नसीब बहुत अच्छी थी, वरना ऐसे ही हम लोग भी फंसे रहते वो साइड में. So till now we have done 20 kilometers and we have decided that after 80 more kilometers we're gonna take a small halt for water because we all are very thirsty. So I think this traffic jam is there because of the toll naga. नहीं नहीं भाई, अभी 45 किलोमीटर हुआ। 4 रोटी किधर आएगा? 4 रोटी आएगा और 90 किलोमीटर्स में। ओके हेलो,
10 बजे से रुके आपके लिए।
अरे बाप रे बाप, अपडेट नहीं देखा क्या? हेलो,
आपके सबके लिए एनर्जी बार लाए।
अरे यार सो स्वीट ऑफ यू,
सबके लिए लाए।
सो स्वीट ऑफ यू यार।
काढ माल तुझा पण काढतोय।
Okay, so we have done around 92.3 kilometers. This is, I do believe this is Charuti toll naka, and also at the last toll naka I met two of my subscribers, and they gave me protein bars. I think they gave me a protein bar. Okay, yes. And for some weird reason I cannot see Wasim, Zaid, Kaleem. So what me and Zishan we have decided is that थोड़ा halt करते हैं इधर, अगर कुछ चाय वाय पीने के लिए इधर व्यवस्था होगी तो। मज़ा आ रही है? So me and Zishan we are continuously talking on intercom. हाँ Zishan, कैसा लग रहा है? इसके लिए
120 किलोमीटर के बाद है स्टॉप।
अच्छा लो, बता दिया मैंने।
120 नहीं हुआ है। मेरा 120 हुआ है, मैं लंबा रहता हूँ
भाई। आरएस का अभी बजाज का भरोसा नहीं है।
मेरा घर लंबा है।
ओ तूने घर से किया? मैंने बोला मैकडॉनल्ड से 0 कार।
मैकडॉनल्ड से 0 में फिर आगे चले गया था।
आप बॉल में बोला 0-0। Anyways, let's have चाय। So this is like a soldier system. So we have all given 2,000 to Kaleem, and he will do all the shopping. He will pay all the bills basically. Thank you. So till now we have done 113 kilometers from the hub mall. You can say that 124 kilometers from my house, and this is Maharashtra checkpost. Basically, after this we will be entering Gujarat. Technically speaking, अभी और एक टोल नाका आएगा. There was no need for us to refuel, but then Wasim here, I told him top up कर और सीधा राइट पे निकल. But after fueling up, he was riding in the city for 30 kilometers.
Sorry.
अभी पूरा पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया. We were supposed to stop after 200 kilometers, but then 180 के बाद stop करना पड़ा. मैंने चुप
So 180 हो गया?
181.
मैं कितना चलाया? ए भाई खोल ला जरा टंकी.
Okay, so I'll just give you a short update, a quick update. Till now we have done around 214 kilometers. It's 4:24 in the morning, and the temperature is close to perfect. It's cold, but it's close to perfect because we are wearing complete gears and all that. I don't think so we can reach ये क्या हो गया? I don't think we can reach Baroda on time. We'll do our level best, and we have to do a little bit of stunts over here now. Okay, ये क्या है भाई? जो भी है अपने को क्या करने का है. And all of us are really enjoying. Me and Zishan. Zishan, say hi. Hi everyone. तो हम लोग continuously बात कर रहे हैं. बहुत मज़ा आ रही है. So far, so good. Zishan, अरे आगे चलाओ और 80 की स्पीड में मेंटेन करो. 80 की स्पीड मेंटेन करो, ठीक है? चलो. Because of my friends ना, they came late. मैं लोगों को चिल्लाया. Thank you for coming. इतना लेट तक. Hi guys, hi. What's up? Okay, so we are 80 kilometers before Baroda. 80 kilometers before Baroda. The reason I stopped here near Bostan restaurant is because Wasim is feeling a little sleepy. Me and Zishan, we are continuously chick inside the helmet. Intercom का पूरा फायदा उठा रहे. And what is the time right now? Time is 5:55 in the morning. मेरा प्लान था कि 6:30, 6:45 तक बड़ौदा पहुंच जाऊँ, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So probably we'll reach Baroda by 7:30, and then Ahmedabad by 9:30. So far so good. Okay. So this is I don't know which toll naga is this, but then Baroda is 40 kilometers from here, if I'm not wrong. And my intercom battery is completely gone, dead. So now I can't talk to Zishan. Because from Mumbai से लेकर यहाँ तक I was continuously talking to him. So मेरी battery गई. Okay, so we have reached Baroda. If we'll go right, then we'll go to Halol Road. So basically what we have decided is that we'll go to the petrol pump
We'll take a halt. We'll take a break, small break over there. And Ahmedabad is approximately 110-120 kilometers from here.
Sarang, Mahendra, Smith, Nirav.
Okay, so I've asked everyone to charge their Bluetooth device. Charging and red light आएगा. आ रहा है?
आ रहा है.
तो छोड़ दो. Because मेरा Bluetooth का battery is completely down. So now we'll have some chai coffee. 5 मिनट का break आधे घंटे का बन रहा है. Yeah, the sun is completely out and I don't have a dual visor, so this is how I'm going to look like. Let's go.
Basically, we have to go straight. Ahmedabad 110 kilometers, and we have two options to go to Ahmedabad. Either we can take the express road where the bikes are not allowed, either we can go straight. Yeah, so this is how the highway looks. It's wonderful, and Dushan is there behind me. Then I think we have Zayed, Wasim and all that. So aa gaya Dushan, aa gaya. It's too windy on this highway. बाजू में रहे, आगे मत जा. So yeah, we always used to take the Halol road, but now no need to take the Halol road if you want to go to Delhi. Simply just take this road, straight to Ahmedabad, and then take the Mount Abu wala road to Delhi. Take care. So they have a YouTube channel called Bullet Couple Joel. He is the first motor vlogger from Baroda. So if you're interested, please show him some love. No doubt this road is beautiful, this road is excellent, but there are too many people coming in between, too many people just crossing the road without even looking, which makes this road a little risky. So I would say that just maintain a 90 to 100 kilometers an hour and you will be good to go. So we are in Ahmedabad. Now we have to go to our hotel. Hotel Srimad.
एक मिनट भाई.
वहाँ चले गए. मेरी मर्जी.
Okay, so we're inside the room. Shriman Hotel in it's next to the Triumph showroom, like just 1.7 kilometers somewhere near to Triumph showroom, and we are very tired and we're very hungry. एक काम करता हूँ, change करता हूँ because I'm all smelly and all that, and I'll get back to you.
इतना बड़ा बेड छोड़ के यहाँ क्यों बैठे?
पनीर मंगाना पनीर.
अरे हाँ ना रुको.
मैं बात कर रहा हूँ ना. रेस्टोरेंट खाना ऑर्डर करने का. क्या चाहिए? क्या क्या आपके पास? बकरा है बकरा. क्या खाना है? बकरा है बकरा. पनीर. सर एक पनीर ले लो.
मजा मत करने जल्दी.
पनीर वेज पनीर. हाँ वेज पनीर. बटर. भाई सुन 15-20 चपाती ले ले फटाफट जल्दी ला.
We are extremely hungry.
आप दौड़ के जा.
मैंने और ज़ीशान ने कल रात से कुछ नहीं खाया.
250.
So अभी हम लोग
मैंने भी नहीं खाया.
कूद के खाने वाले हैं. Okay, so after eating that heavy good food, I just went back to sleep. So it's like 3:30 in the afternoon, and now we are all getting ready because we have to go to Triumph showroom at 5 o'clock for the meetup. Okay, so in the meantime, I have ordered for my coffee, and Zishan by having his protein bar. I'm having my coffee. And yeah, in case you're wondering which USB I'm using, which power bank I'm using a Coolnut power bank. Oh my god, this is damn good. If you want to buy it, there'll be a link in the description box below. This is a must if you want to travel, guys. Okay, so I'm left for Triumph West Coast showroom. So
Zishan is sitting behind me. Wasim and Kaleem will come because they're waiting for Syed because it's already 5 o'clock and I was supposed to reach there at 5 o'clock. And I don't want to be late. Okay, so I forgot to tell you that from Mumbai till the hotel in Ahmedabad was 520 kilometers and the Triumph showroom is just 3 kilometers. Hello guys! What's up? Okay, so the meetup was successful. Everybody was awesome. Big fat thumbs up for the West Coast Triumph Ahmedabad. It really helped me a lot, and people from Ahmedabad are really nice. But still, Jaipur stays #1. And now we are planning कि कल क्या करना है exactly. Where are we going? So this guy.
Hi, Kunal.
So Kunal is helping us out. कि tomorrow how should we plan our itinerary? Where should we go and all that? That you'll know in the next video.
Yeah.
Possibly in the next video. Yeah.
Your friend is busy somewhere.
Yeah, my friend is busy there. There. Kaleem. Kaleem. क्या कर रहा है? क्या कर रहा है? हाँ?
एक काम करो, यहाँ बैठो। मैं खाने नहीं वाला।
अरे हाँ, यही बात वसीम, वो खाएगा नहीं।
क्या ऑर्डर करने का सर?
ड्रिंक पीने में चेक करते देखते हैं।
Okay, so I'm back to the hotel. The dinner was heavy, and also he's my subscriber.
Hi, I'm Vishwa.
Vishwa. So he just gave me his gift. Show me. Nikalna. I really wanted to buy his shoes and okay, not bad, right? I mean, it's very good. What not bad is very good. Okay, so it's their family business, so they make shoes and everything. So thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I'm back to the room and very tired. Right now it's around 11, almost 11 in the night, and our plan is to get up 3 in the morning and leave 4 in the morning. Okay, now I hope we leave 4 in the morning because we want to see the sunrise. चलो उठो, उठ रहे। कल ही 5 बजे 1 घंटे में निकलने का, तुम लोगों को तो 1 घंटा लगता है।
वीडियो नहीं कर रहे।
Good morning everyone. We have to leave by 5 and it's 4 and कोई भी ready नहीं है। वही कल ही उठ यार। I'll get back to you. चल भाई 1 घंटा अपने पास। Okay, so we are all ready. देखा कितनी लाइट शूज हो रही है मेरे शॉट के लिए. So it's 5:15 in the morning and we all are ready. And the plan is that हमको चाय नहीं मिली है. So first what we'll do, we'll go out. I think we have fuel, right? All of us. पर petrol है? Half tank. Okay, so we have half tank. What we're gonna do is that first we'll stop for a tea break. After that refuel and then leave. Our aim is to today we are going from Ahmedabad to Ran of Kutch. So today is Sunday. Yesterday was Saturday night and एक accident भी हो गया लगता है इधर. So this lane where we are staying is a very posh locality lane. ये क्या बोल रहा है? इधर तो left जाना बोल रहा है. So from here, Bhuj, the hotel is 324 kilometers, and from there we'll go 80 kilometers ahead in Ran of Kutch. दैट्स द प्लान. सो हम लोग वहाँ जाएंगे, सारे सब अपना सामान रखेंगे होटल में और देन 80 किलोमीटर्स आगे जाएंगे. ओके, 46.5 kilometers done. We are maintaining a very good speed because the road condition is very good. And मतलब चलो चाय मार लेते हैं. कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है. We were not supposed to stop, but then I thought, you know what, let's take a 15 minutes break. मालूम है. What a beautiful morning, right guys?
Yeah.
So, so पैनीज़ के multi-purpose use होते हैं. This is one of them. So if the roads are like this, we're gonna reach. कहाँ जा रहे हैं ना शीशा? भूल गया. No, उसके पहले भुज. We're gonna reach Bhuj very fast. अभी this guy is having less fuel, so I have to stop for a fuel break very soon. And the sun is coming out from that side, there. So जैसे ही sun थोड़ा बाहर आएगा वैसे ही रोकता हूँ. Zishan, फोटो के लिए. फोटो और refueling. Okay, we just refueled and it's completely bright now. Okay, so this is the situation. Zaid is using my tail bag and can you see this? Its part is getting burned a bit. We have tried to use the bungee cords, pull this up, but then let's see. Okay, that doesn't look that bad. It's okay, we have done 210 kilometers till now. And अभी washroom break लिया है. कल ही मैं जिशान भागे सबसे पहले. We are near Hotel Ajanta. Bhuj 0.3. क्या लिखा है? Big Run of Kutch. यार जाने का है यार, देख के खुश हो गया एकदम. So we have reached Bhuj. So Dishan, let's get ready.
Yes.
Everybody's coming. And anyways, okay guys, so we are inside the room now. The plan is that we'll go have lunch and soon after that we have to leave for Run of Kutch because right now it's 12 in the afternoon. It's 12 in the afternoon and we're already late because we have to reach Run of Kutch by 1 and now already it's 12. So जल्दी खा के निकलने का है. Okay, so we are going to this restaurant. I don't know क्या लिखा हुआ है. क्या मालूम क्या लिखा है. सर
अरे यार सर देख उनको लगा देगा
नल्ला.
So yeah, today is Sunday and me and Wasim, we are big time Dragon Ball Super fans. So we are watching Dragon Ball Super and having our lunch. It's very hot, man. Anyway, so we are done with our lunch and everything. Now we are leaving. Yeah, this is my drone bag and this is my tank bag. See, एक ब्लॉगर बनने के लिए क्या क्या लेना पड़ता है क्या? नहीं भाई, पकड़ने का नहीं. अभी we have to ride 100 kilometers. So probably we'll take 1.5 hours. Hopefully, and tension यही है कि now it's very hot, but while coming back it's gonna be like after sunset because we want to watch the sunset over there. After that it's gonna get very cold. Oh my God, it's like very hot. बहुत गर्मी है. इस देश में बहुत गर्मी है. इतनी गर्मी है कि पसीना निकल गया. So you can clearly see there is nothing on my right and there is nothing on my left, and because of that the wind blast is like really bad. I mean right now I'm at what? I'm at 81 kilometers an hour, and if I'll increase my speed to chalo मान लेते हैं ये 100, so the wind blast is like very bad and it's a straight road. तो ऐसा हाल है हमारा. तुम लोगों को मज़ा आ रहा है कि नहीं? मज़ा आ रहा है कि नहीं? निखिल 50 डिग्री में बाइक चला रहा है 50 डिग्री में नहीं चला रहा है, मगर ये रहेगा आराम से 40, दिशान 40 रहेगा ना, 40 डिग्री, 37, 40 डिग्री। चलो पहुँचते हैं अभी। मोर 35 kilometers to go. Okay, so we have to go 4 to 5 kilometers inside this one. The white sand will come in the Ran Utsav and all that. वो क्या था निशान? वो Sun City. So this is the Sun City. उधर लिखा तो है Ran Utsav, but I don't know. White Run. The cops are helpful. ये क्या है? ये रण उत्सव है। Okay, this is the रण उत्सव. Are you sure? हाँ, रण उत्सव लिखा तो है। Oh, so this is the रण उत्सव। यार अभी ये क्या सीन है? क्या ये white run?
गाड़ी लेके साथ में जावा देता तो गाड़ी लेके भाई आप पैदल जाओ, उसको बोलो।
अरे एक बाइक जाने दो ना। मैं एक्चुअली पूरा इंडिया घूम रहा हूँ।
वो तो पता है।
प्लीज सर, मेरे को एक जाने दो ना, हम लोग पूरा इंडिया घूम रहे हैं सर। कौन सा साहब?
आगे वो उधर खड़े सकला होगा बड़े वाला।
बीएसएफ के साहब है। मैं बात करके आता हूँ। अच्छा, मैं पूछो किधर पूछो? अच्छा ठीक है, थैंक यू। ओके, सो देयर इज some senior guy, BSF ka, so he's not allowing the bikes. I don't know why he's not allowing the bikes, so I have to talk to him, and if he let me go then it's a good thing. Sadly the drone cameras are not allowed, so I had to surrender my drone over here because I guess you know why. People are coming, flying their drone, doing wrong things. So because of people like that, people like us have to suffer. Because you know, drones have been used for a lot of wrong things. As you know, can I fly a drone and all that? They say no, you cannot fly a drone, because if you get caught flying a drone over here, you will be sentenced for 3 years in jail, in prison. Of course, थोड़ा मूड तो ख़राब हो गया मेरा, बट क्या सपने देखे थे ड्रोन उड़ाऊंगा इधर उधर, बट इट्स ओके। अभी सीन क्या है कि बाइक इज़ ओनली अलाउड टिल हियर, ठीक है। फ्रॉम हियर द वाइट सैंड स्टार्ट, इफ यू कैन सी दैट इज़ अ वाइट सैंड। अभी ना गाड़ी अलाउड है ना बाइक अलाउड है, सो नोबडी इज़ अलाउड। व्हाट ही सेड, इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन टेक दिस एंड यू कैन गो इन, और वो वाइट सैंड ही दिखेगा, ठीक है। एंड एट 4 o'clock बस और गाड़ी अंदर जाएगा वहाँ पे, वो दिख रहा है ये जो ये बस, तो वहाँ जाओ फोटो निकालो। अबे वहाँ थोड़ा ज़्यादा वाइट दिख रहा है, तो वहाँ जाके चल के देख के आना है। आई डोंट थिंक वहाँ पर भी अलाउ करते सब।
Okay, so basically this is the gate where you cannot take your bike in. I'm taking my camera in. I mean you can vlog, but you really cannot take your vehicle in. And yeah, it's all desert, white sand, salt, right? Namak hai na?
हाँ ना।
Pura namak hai. I mean I can show you a bit, so you can take one of this and go in. But bike का मज़ा कुछ और ही है यार. I'm actually feeling very low and sad. I mean, क्या मतलब हुआ यार? हम बाइकर्स लोगों को तो यही पसंद है. It's really windy. क्या मतलब हुआ?
तो ये देखो भैया, so you can't take your bike over there, but then half a kilometer before, there is this patch. This is also a part of run, and this is of course salt. So yes, all the riders, they come over here, they click pictures, and then they say Ran of Kutch, white desert. So just be careful when you come over here. Don't try to act smart, don't ride fast and all that. And drones are not allowed. अब बहुत दूर चले गए थे, है बैठ गए. आपका नाम क्या है? हिमांशु. So our friend Himanshu, he took his bike over there and now his bike got stuck. So we are helping him to get his bike out. I don't know whether it's allowed or not to ride on the sand, but we are taking the bike to the sand. Tried riding on the sand, but the bike is getting stuck. So what I'm going to do, look at this. I can't even walk over here properly. I don't know why the hell he got his bike over here. He shouldn't have. Okay. This is stupid. I don't know how I'm gonna get this thing out. धक्का दो निशान थोड़ा. रेडी 1 2 3. Okay, Himanshu, take care. Bye. Welcome. चलो निशान. Bye. So just good to know stuff. In case if they don't allow you to go through here, you can come through here. But then be careful. This can happen to you. So don't do it. And if you want to do it, make sure you're in a big group and you're very strong. चलो अभी मैं अपना ड्रोन लेता हूँ और एग्जिट मारता हूँ. Because अभी right now I'm pretty scared. Obviously मेरा 1 लाख रुपए का ड्रोन है उन लोगों के पास. एक बार वो ले लेता हूँ. हाँ वहाँ चलते हैं ना. So I got my drone. Sadly I didn't got a chance to fly and these people are like very strict. I mean these people are nice. I mean they're strict for a good reason. But then still I wanted to. But it's okay. I respect our soldiers. I respect BSF. And I do understand why this happens. So now I want to drink water. Like I'm super thirsty, super exhausted. कौन सा जूस है?
सब जूस है सर. माइक्रोन बॉटल में.
एप्पल जूस मिलेगा?
हाँ एप्पल, स्ट्रॉबेरी.
ग्रेप है?
हाँ
ग्रेप दे दो.
कितना?
Okay, so I'm back to my room and not just me, Zishan and Zaid. Wasim and Kaleem, they are making out in the other room. Okay, they are in the other room. Abhi senior ki chances are Zaid might go back tomorrow, but it's 50-50. It's 10 o'clock in the night. I'm very sleepy because today it was a rough day. It was a tiring day. बहुत मस्ती की. I hope you guys also enjoyed. I know drone shot was missed by all of us. That's the drone over there. क्या कर सकते हैं यार. अगर यहाँ तक देख लिया है तो don't forget to like the video also and bye bye. Okay, good morning everyone. Yesterday was very tiring. We slept for like 4.5-5 hours. So right now it's 5:10 in the morning. We got up like Zishan, what time?
4:30.
4:30 we got up. So as you can see, Zishan is packing his stuff. My stuff is completely packed. Just need to close the panniers. and mount everything, which will take like 10 to 15 minutes properly. We're thinking, what should we do? Should we have a breakfast here or on the way? Because today we are going to Chandigarh, and right now we are at Bhuj. So Bhuj to Chandigarh is come on 1300? 1300. 1400. So Bhuj to Chandigarh is 1400. One more thing, Zayed here is not joining us, unfortunately. You can say that he's not feeling well and he has to go back home, obviously. So his father is coming and he'll be riding 200-300 kilometers, and there, over there, he'll go with his father.
I'll probably stay there and then.
Yeah, so he'll probably stay over there, and his father will come, and then they both will go. Happens, yeah. I mean, it's not a good feeling that he's going, but it's okay. You know, Manali aata to acha lagta, but then probably when in the future we'll do Leh Ladakh. Chalo bhai.
Chalo, bye bye.
अरे बाप रे. That's where we parked the Tiger. नाश्ता क्या ले रहा है? ये नाश्ते में खा रहे हैं? क्या है ये वैसे? क्या मालूम नहीं, मतलब क्या ऐसे खा रहे हो? फाफड़ा बोला कुछ तो है ना ये?
क्रैक जैक ले, क्रैक जैक.
उसका देखिए वो पंजी का पंजी वो पकड़ो इधर इधर पकड़ो इधर की पक्की बस.
I love you.
अभी साइड का बंद.
So it's 6:50 in the morning. Almost ready, right?
Yes.
10 मिनट निकल सकते हैं?
Yes.
We are planning to leave in 10 minutes. Let's see.
So it's, oh my god, it's 7:20 यार. वसीम यार, please एक बार पेट्रोल तो भरा ले. अरे बाप रे. The sun is looking beautiful, perfect. I think मैंने इससे अच्छा sunrise और sunset कभी नहीं देखा गुजरात में. So if you're coming to Bhuj or Ran of Kutch or White Desert, don't miss the sunrise and don't miss the sunset. I mean दोनों में से एक तो देख ही लो, same दिखता है. I don't know whether GoPro is doing the justice or no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so we have done 80 kilometers till now. There was no intention to stop, but the reason we are stopping is because something went into Zishan's eye. So we thought we'll take a stop because we are just next to the highway. So 10-15 minute का break लेते हैं and then we'll leave. चल भाई, तुम्हारी आँखें कैसी भी?
Yeah, it's better now.
What happened? What happened exactly?
Actually, some stone went inside my eyes.
We're supposed to take breakfast break like in 200 kilometers, but तो जब रुक गए तो खा ही लेते हैं. And there, in between, there were so many bugs. Look at that, I'll show you. Okay, so I'll just give you my bike tour. Because a lot of people are asking on the Instagram, DMing me that please tell me something about your bike, how you have prepared your bike and all. So I'll just show you. Okay. So these are the panniers. Okay. In this one is all my clothes. And in this one is all the accessories and slippers and wires and everything. So this is the t-shirt I'm carrying to do the giveaway. So giveaway ke liye, this is my laptop and drone bag. This is Zishan's helmet. No, I'm not carrying it. And this is my tank bag. Inside my tank bag is just the camera and GoPro, extra GoPro, wires, chargers, tripod. In this one I have my power bank. In this one I have just my rain cover and sunglasses and the GoPro ka mount. This is my charging port. No, this is not a USB charger. This is like a power adapter and not the normal cigarette port. This is a different thing. So you have there's 2 USB port. It charges like really fast and yeah, this is my helmet. And ज़्यादा bugs नहीं है because of the windshield. So people who don't have windshield उन लोग की बैंड बच गई है. वसीम का helmet देखो. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm having Cebu sir, Zishan having Cebu sir, Wasim, Puri Bhaji.
पूरी भाई.
Kalim,
पूरी भाई. नहीं चना पूरी सॉरी.
Chana Puri.
चना पूरी. भाई एक चना पूरी ले आओ. मेरे लिए चना पूरी.
So we have done 250 kilometers till now, and the road is like this till Pali and all that. So we are not going to be So we are not going to be going till Udaipur. We are not going to be going from Udaipur. So before Udaipur, we're going to be taking a diversion. So in after 95 kilometers, there'll be a left. We're going to be taking that. You can clearly see the road is nice. Wasim is doing harkate, Kalim is doing harkate. So we are crossing Gujarat and we are entering Rajasthan. Check post, yeah. Wasim's bike is giving very horrible fuel economy because he has changed his handlebar to Dukes. Sitting position is not sporty anymore. It's sitting upright, and because of that the wind blast is hitting. The wind blast is really bad, and because of that the fuel economy has dropped tremendously. ये देखो, wrong way. This is the wrong way. Anyways, I look Champu 6:15 in the evening, and yeah, मैंने कुछ दिखाया नहीं because it was the same road, and all of us are dirty. Wasim, show your helmet. Yeah, so अभी sunset हो रहा है उधर. I've reached Ajmer, so Zishan मैंने थोड़ा क्या नमाज पढ़ रहे हो ना? क्या पढ़ रहे हो?
फातिहा पढ़ रहे हैं. हाँ? फातिहा.
Delhi is 400 kilometers. After that, Chandigarh is 200. So 600 kilometers to go. Till now, we have done, I think, 750. 750 kilometers is done.
Yes.
अभी थोड़ा आगे जाके अपन रुकेंगे. Okay, so we stopped again for refueling, and our average speed is like very bad right now. It's 7:28 in the evening, and we still have 300 kilometers to go for Delhi, right? 300 kilometers to go for Delhi, and we stopped because Kalim wanted to use the washroom, and we wanted to refuel also. Now the Jaipur highway will start, the Jaipur Delhi highway, and yeah, so far so good, but then our speed is like very slow. So expected time we'll arrive in Delhi is around midnight, around 11:30 or 12, and then that's the best time actually, because that time there'll be no traffic and we have to go through the city, you know, to go to Chandigarh, and the plan is to stop after Delhi. So the road is boring now, it's just the highway, nothing else to show. So what I'll do, I'll see you once I cross Delhi, okay? Okay, I won't lie to you. It's 2:50 AM, almost 3 AM in the night or in the morning, whatever you want to say. We are near some Neelkant Dhaba. Me and Zishan, we are waiting for Kalim and Wasim. Okay. I am really disappointed with myself today, to be very honest, because we all took this 1,400 kilometers ride lightly. मस्ती में चला रहे थे. We were having fun, joking around, taking too many breaks and all that. If we'll go to Chandigarh now, we'll reach like around 6:30 or 7 in the morning, and there is no use of reaching 6:30, 7 in the morning. Then hotel ढूंढो, check in करो, सामान रखो, 7-8 बज जाएंगे, 8 बज जाएंगे, then so दोपहर को उठो, wasting the whole day. So what me and Zishan we have decided is that we'll take a room over here, some Pehlwan Dhaba, something like that, I don't remember. Jilmil Dhaba. है ना, झिलमिल ढाबा में रूम लेंगे and we'll just go sleep over there. We'll leave tomorrow in the morning. चल, हमने बैग डाल दिया, तू भी डाल दे. छोड़. Okay. So it was bad, like really bad last night. I don't even remember what I vlogged. We all were dead, right, Kelly? We all were dead. So we have checked into this, which hotel name? Gulshan Dhaba. So right now it's 11:35 in the morning. And we got 6 hours of sleep. Huh? 35 हो गया, निकलने का था.
Ready, Ishan?
हो गया
I had to remove everything, and it's not that difficult to remove the panniers and the bags in the tank bag. It took like what, 10 minutes to remove it and then 2 minutes to fill it back. Okay. Chalo, so it's 11:52 in the morning. So at the end, we all learned a valuable lesson that if you're doing a ride which is more than 1,000 kilometers, you have to be very serious. We were serious, but then, you know, we were riding after a very long time, so we wanted to have fun and go. But then, look at the highway, look at the beautiful highway. This is the reason I decided to stay. I mean, I have never seen so many trucks in my entire life on a single highway. जितना इस रोड पे देखा है मैंने. I mean, इसके पहले दिल्ली पे देखा था मैंने. And people are mad, man. The way they were driving, it's like they want to kill you. They just want to kill you. That's how they were driving. People are coming on from the wrong direction also. I mean, imagine you're overtaking and there's a car in front of you. What will you do? Chandigarh is dot 200 kilometers. So till now we have done 1,176 kilometers from Bhuj. मैं 3 ग्लास बनाना, 3 ग्लास ऑरेंज जूस. अभी I'll put the location exactly where we are. I believe Chandigarh is not that far. Chandigarh is like 70. The orange juice was just superb. We paid like 250 rupees for 8 glasses of fresh orange juice. आजा करीम, क्या हुआ? इसका मास्क टेढ़ा हो गया. 10 more kilometers for Triumph showroom. Yes, we are going to Triumph showroom. Next to this is the hotel. But before that, all of us are hungry because breakfast तो कुछ लिया नहीं. सिर्फ 10 से 15 मिनट तक खा के निकलना है अपने को. क्या कर रहा है बे? चलना बे. वसीम झूठ बोल रहा है. वसीम मत आजा. वसीम आ गया. अबे चलना. चल तू अंदर चल. Feels great. Breakfast मिलेगा क्या? Okay, so just reached Triumph showroom. Just saying hi to the folks at the Triumph showroom. I know I haven't updated my pictures now, and these people are getting calls from people that I'm doing my meetup. I'm not doing my meetup here because we are here for a very short time. Okay, so we are in Hotel Sapphire. I mean, Chandigarh. We paid 1,600 per room, and look at the room. It's a very good room. I mean, view was okay. So last time I stayed in Lemon Hotel, which is a very good hotel by the way. I paid around 2,700 for a room. But then that room was like very nice. But then for 1,600, this room is damn good. Actually, this is a short room tour. If you can see, that's the bed. There's no cupboard, so you have this, and this is the washroom. I mean, not bad for 1,600. Now we are going out. I'll give my bike to Triumph. They're just gonna do a small checkup. क्या है वसी?
दूध का क्रीम पाउडर.
Cocaine.
Cocaine आया.
Okay guys, so we are back to the room, and the moment I stepped into my room, these guys, they knocked my doors. These guys also are staying in my hotel, and they are my subscribers, and they are from Vikhroli, Mumbai. So fortunately they were traveling from Manali, and I'm going to Manali. So मुझे lobby में देख लिया, and then they came over here. So Vinay,
Alankar,
Anand,
and Satish.
We all are from Wheelprints on Highway. Mumbai.
अच्छा आपका राइडिंग ग्रुप है.
राइडिंग चारों का ये राइडिंग ग्रुप है.
अच्छा फर्स्ट चारों अच्छा but they are not riding this time
This is the first time we are without our bikes. Without our bike and we are missing a lot our bike. बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं और तभी मिले और हमें बातचीत हुई हो रही थी कि इस बार मिले और विदाउट बाइक मिले तो वो बहुत बुरा लग रहा है और मिले वो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
बुरा लगने वाली कौन सी बात है guys? So it's pleasure meeting different riders and कहीं ना कहीं कुछ सीखने को मिलता है and then riders की बातें चलती रहती हैं.
सही बात है.
So they also went to Ran of Kutch and they were also not allowed to go far and all that. Yeah, so we ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर सकते. चलो thank you.
Thanks.
All the best for your ride.
Thank you.
Okay, so this thing I got for my mom, suit, and these are the thermal liner which we got for ourselves because it's gonna be very cold tomorrow. And also, मेरी टाइगर का नामकरण किया जिशान ने. जिशान, क्या नाम रखा? We have named the Triumph Tiger which I have, well, it's not mine, but still, you know, it's gonna be mine one day hopefully. We have named it Cocaine. Cocaine. I know some of you will like, oh my god, but see, the reason cocaine is because cocaine is very addictive. Cocaine is very addictive. Cocaine is very addictive, and according to Zishan, the tiger is very addictive. So the name Cocaine. Don't get me wrong with this name. And also, Kaleem, what's up? नींद आ रही है? अभी तो हंस रहा था जोर जोर से.
अभी नींद आ रही.
Okay guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this video and don't forget to give this video a like and thumbs up.
ना पीने का एकदम thumbs up. चड्डी दिख रही है. स्नोफॉल है.
कहाँ मनाली में स्नोफॉल हो रहा है? कली में
नहीं हो रहा है. हम लोग जा रहे हैं तो सब बंद हो जाएगा. हमारे साथ वसीम है. सब बंद हो जाता है.
Okay, it's like very cold in Chandigarh. I think it's around 10 degrees. Raat ko was usually around 10 degrees and now also it's very cold. It's easily around 12-14 degrees. We slept a lot. It's 9:45 in the morning. We were supposed to leave for Chandigarh by 10 o'clock. From Chandigarh to Manali. 10 बजे निकलने वाले थे. लग गए अभी तो भाई. The first thing is that Zishan, Kaleem and Wasim has to go to Bajaj or KTM and then from there they need to do a small checkup. Come on, Ari. Okay, जब तक Zishan की और वसीम की बाइक सर्विस होती है. In the meantime, we are having chai and this parota, local street food. Best thing to do in the early in the morning. Not having McDonald's, not having KFC, nothing. Any टिप्पणियाँ, कलीम?
बहुत अच्छा है. अच्छी चाय है. अब पराठा भी तो अब चका नहीं, बट अच्छा रहेगा. आप लोग खाएंगे.
Okay, now I am at the Triumph showroom once again. अभी ये चीज़ समझानी थोड़ी मुश्किल रहेगी. So while they were doing the servicing for Zishan's bike and Wasim's bike, I was just checking my bike and I saw that my brake pads, the rear brake pads was completely worn off. And the thing is that I'm not the owner of this bike, so I have to inform Triumph when I'm doing any kind of changes basically.
122.
It's 1:22 in the afternoon and we're still in Chandigarh, so this is the problem. So what I have suggested is that Kaleem and Wasim, you leave. Me and Zishan will catch up. Chalo sir. Nice meeting you. मिलते हैं in the future. और time to wear the sunglasses. What's up, mate? All good, mate? My head is aching, mate. Today the total distance what we're going to cover is 315 kilometers. And Chandigarh is a very beautiful city. The sad part is that I couldn't cover the city, although I've done it last time. So if you have not seen my Kashmir to Kanyakumari wala video, there will be a link in the description box below. Just go ahead and watch it. Zishan यहाँ से left है. Welcome to New Chandigarh. I never knew there is a thing called New Chandigarh.
इको सिटी 1, इको सिटी 2. इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. अरे वाह, क्या ब्यूटीफुल है ये तो. ऑरेंज जूस. ओके, दिस लुक्स लाइक दैट आई एम राइडिंग इन दुबई. Roads in Dubai, Qatar, Middle East, Kuwait and all that. Well, Kuwait is part of Middle East. They are like this only. खजूर के पेड़ रहते हैं ना. हाँ यार, एकदम मिडल ईस्ट लग रहा है. ऐसे ही साइन बोर्ड रहता है. वाओ. Okay. So we have done 140 kilometers and we just refueled. वसीम और कलीम ने ऑलरेडी रिफ्यूल कर लिया है. एंड मेरा एक सब्सक्राइबर भी मुझे मिल गया इधर. क्या भाई, क्या नाम है आपको? सॉरी, उल्लास फ्रॉम इधर बिलासपुर. भाई लेकिन अगर अब मेरी इज्जत करते हो थोड़ा संभल के चलाना अगली बार. मेरे से बढ़ के जान नहीं है.
Okay, so till now we have done around 150 kilometers from Chandigarh. बीच में गलती से we went like 10 kilometers ahead. Actually there are two roads. One is from Bilaspur and दूसरा वाला पता नहीं कहाँ से. कोई तो अलग रास्ता था, पता नहीं. हम लोग गलती से स्ट्रेट चले गए. Then we have to come back because Wasim and Kaleem are ahead, so we have to come back. Roads are nice, man. Damn good. I met one of my subscribers, as you saw, Bilaspur, na? He'll be waiting for me in Bilaspur, which will come in half an hour or so. Wasim or Kaleem already they went ahead because they already had food as they left like half an hour before us. So yeah, so far so good. तो ये बिलासपुर है.
ये बिलासपुर है.
Okay, so this is Bilaspur. I met my subscriber and Manali is from here. 172 बता रहा है. अरे बाप रे बाप, लंबी है भाई, लंबी. ठीक है, फोटो.
थैंक यू सो मच.
कहाँ रुक गए भाई? Okay, so right is NH88 road to Simla. Left is Manali Kullu Mandi. Oh, sorry. क्या लिखा है? मनाली लेफ्ट. ओ भैया, रिप पे फोटो बनता है भैया. भैया पानी में दिख रहा भैया, पुलिया भी दिख रही है भैया. वाह भैया. I don't know from where the water is coming. फुल चिकट हो गए भाई अभी हम लोग. पहाड़ टूटा है कि काटा है लोग ने? ओह, दे आर मेकिंग द 2-lane रोड. सी, दिख रहा है निशान? ऐसा रोड बना रहे हैं लोग पूरा. इसके लिए खोद के रखा. हाँ. 6:30 after the sunset there has been a drastic drop in the temperature. This is easily around 15-14 रहेंगे अभी outside. Okay, so Manali is more 100 kilometers. It's very cold. Assumingly it's around 10 degrees or 8 degrees. ना Zishan? 8 degree रहेगा ना? This is Mandi. I met one of my subscriber. I thought the camera is on, but the camera was not on. Hey, what is your name? क्या था? Ashish, thank you for waiting for me and I'm really sorry I could not come to your house. क्योंकि मेरे दोस्त कलीम और वसीम आगे वेट कर रहे हैं, तो अगर आगे मैं रुक जाता तो अच्छा नहीं लगता उनको, फिर वो मेरी दोस्ती तोड़ देते. बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट व्हाट आई एम एक्सपीरियंसिंग इज दैट पीपल आर नॉट यूजिंग हाई बीम, है ना? I mean 80 to 90% people are not using high beam. Those 10% idiots are using high beam. तो चलाने में इतनी तकलीफ नहीं हो रही है, but yeah, it's cold. But this, I'm telling you guys, kick मिल रही है, kick. कितना किया हम लोगों ने? 220 किलोमीटर्स. मनाली इज 100 more kilometers to go. कब से 100 बोल रहा हूँ पता नहीं. ये लो, इन लोग मिल गए. चलो अभी थोड़ा ब्रेक लेते हैं, सिक्योरिटी लेते हैं. वोडाफोन नहीं लग रहा. Having Maggie after like a very long time. And this is a hot and sour soup. One of the best hot and sour soup I've ever had. Okay guys, बहुत मज़ा आ रही है.
8 o'clock in the evening, and probably we're doing good speed. Kaleem, क्या बोलता है? Zishan bhai talking to his family. Kaleem is chittoring. Wasim is having hot and sour. Zishan is talking to the family. बहुत मजा आ रही है लेकिन, एंड ठंडी भी बहुत है भाई. Probably एक्टिंग मत कर अभी.
क्या बोला? ऐसा लग रहा है ना मुंह में ठंडी हो गई. देखो.
कैसा लग रहा है? कैसे लग रहा है दिशा? वार्मर पहन लिया. It's 5 degrees. It's 5 degrees over here. We are in Kullu, almost Kullu. Kullu है? Kullu नहीं पहुँचे.
कुल्लू से आगे.
Yeah, we're a little bit ahead of Kullu. Manali is कितना है Manali?
52. नहीं. 35.
Okay. Manali is around 40-45 kilometers away. We're gonna have tea. चाय पी रही इधर. वो चाय बन रही है हमारी. चाय बन रही है हमारी.
नहीं भाई मत करो.
क्या ले रहे भाई? क्या हो गया?
अभी अपडेट हुआ 5 डिग्री.
Okay, so we have taken this hotel. क्या नाम है इसका? Oak Hotel. Pretty awesome hotel, to be very honest. I mean, 20 kilometers back it was like just 5 degrees, and now it is like 1 degree. And yeah, this is a room. So this is क्या कर रहा है यार? वसीम घुस गया तो अंदर. Pretty awesome room. I'll just give you this corner tour. So this is a bed, big one. They're gonna be giving one more bed over here. Two more bed, so that all 4 of us can stay. We got it for 1,500, which is pretty cheap. उस टाइम हम लोग 1800 बोला, हम लोग खुश हो गए. When he said 1,800, we were very happy. But then balcony साथ है? हाँ, balcony भाई, this is balcony also. It's like 11 in the night, but you really can't see. I'll show you that in the morning. I'll save this content for the morning. So. Okay, so now we'll change, freshen up, and dinner. I'll see you. Okay, so by the time you see this video, I just came to know that a good news. YouTube Fan Fest has Mumbaikars say hello to Mumbaikar.
Yes.
So अभी हम लोग रोटी दाल खा रहे हैं. सिंपल खाना. चलो कोई नहीं. जिशान भाई बाय बोलो. बाय. कुछ नहीं. बाय.
हॉट चॉकलेट भी नहीं है.
बोल. Oh shit. It's -10. Good morning, everyone. oh shit.
I'll go there.
चलो रेडी. बैठो. वाह सही है. चलो. नाउ वी गोइंग टू कोटी. चलेगा? चलो. Okay, so we are in Manali, but we like stayed 14 kilometers before Manali. बिकॉज इन मनाली द होटल्स आर लाइक वेरी एक्सपेंसिव और हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा रूम में रेट में मिला है यार। तो ऐसे रोड में हम लोग कल रात को राइड कर रहे थे। वाओ, ओह हो राइट में तो देखो। Okay, so we reviewed also. There was some problem with my GoPro. It was showing some card error problem. I don't know. तो वही जुगाड़ किया जो हम इंडियंस करते हैं, निकाला, 2-3 फटके मारा, ठीक हो गया। हाँ दिशान, पता नहीं कार्ड एरर आ रहा था, अभी हो गया। हाँ मारा थोड़ा GoPro को। अरे आई होप फुटेज सब आया हो यार, दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा मेरा। ओके, सो दिस इज मनाली, द रियल मनाली सिटी एंड होटल। तो लाइन से होटल्स ही हैं सारे। Oh, this is Tibet market. Okay. So you, अच्छा, so you call this Tibet. तो अपने को राइट जाने का है, राइट मारो। Oh, okay. So this place is known as Mall Road. Why Mall Road? Well, because this is a place for people to shop. Okay. We are climbing and this is the same route for Rotang Pass and all that. Look at that. View तुम लोगों को दिख ही रहा होगा। बंद कैसे करूँ इसको भाई, रोकना पड़ेगा मेरे को, चना गिर जाओ। इधर रहेगा भाई 0 या 1 रहेगा। 0 नहीं, माइनस नहीं है, माइनस नहीं है भाई। वो होटल में सुबह -5 था, अभी धूप निकल गई है, टेम्परेचर सडनली गिरता है। सूरज के पावर के ऊपर कुछ नहीं। अभी आई कैन सी ऑन द मैप रोड्स आर लाइक जिग जैग जुग जैग जुग ऑल बिटवीन द सिटी, थ्रू द सिटी, स्मॉल टाउन एक्चुअली। और यहाँ पर बर्फ गिरी है। वी आर वेरी फॉर्चुनेट एंड लकी टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट। ये सब मुझे ले में नहीं देखने को मिला था, इसके लिए मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। इसके लिए जैसे ही गाइज, इफ यू आर एक्सपीरियंस, इफ यू कैन बेयर कोल्ड, देन डू विजिट मनाली इन विंटर्स। फट जाएगी, सॉलिड वाली फट जाएगी, बट बहुत मजा आएगी। भाई यहाँ से गाड़ी सामने से कैसे आती होगी, मैं सोच रहा हूँ यार। भाई पूरा बर्फ देखो, बर्फ पड़ने वाली है। ये लेफ्ट में ना, तो राइट जाने का। सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू सोलांग वैली, वी आर गोइंग टू कोटे। Oh my God, look at this. Ooh! Wow, मेरा मन तो बहुत कर रहा है, but now the snow is melting, so I don't know how deep. Oh shit, this can be very deep. Anyways, let's head back. Oh yeah, so this is the road for Leh Ladakh. That is Rotang Pass, उसके पीछे, but they are not allowing us to go after that.
मैगी, हाँ मैगी बोलो।
और क्या खाने में? नहीं खाली मैगी। तेको नहीं खाने तो मत खाना। क्या मिलेगा?
Wow, it is fun. Now we are not doing the क्या बोलते हैं snow skating and all, but हम लोग अपनी मस्ती कर रहे हैं, बहुत मजा आ रही है. It's really cold over here. Okay, so we are back to the hotel. We are going to actually Manikaran Kasol, so we thought before going over there we'll take a washroom break because it's on the way. The hotel is on our way, and हम सबका हो गया है, अभी सिर्फ कलीम ही रह गया है. And so far so wonderful. कितना दूर है यहाँ से? कुल्लू के थ्रू जाएंगे ना?
3 घंटे का जाएंगे.
चलो. Now we are going to Manikaran, which is 77 kilometers from here. कुल्लू के थ्रू जाना पड़ेगा. Good part is that it's daytime, कर लेंगे. It's 3 o'clock in the evening. I hope ज़्यादा problem ना हो. आप डे में पहुँचे और डे में तो आने का चांस कम लग रहा है मेरे को. So we have taken the diversion for Manikaran. घर का रास्ता है यार. मैं अपने mom dad के साथ I came here like around 10 years back, you know, when we visited Manali. We came over here also. And I remember that the road was so bad, like I was continuously crying. You have to be very careful. It's a very thin road. Okay. This is not going to be easy. Uh-oh. हो गई पटेली, हो गई. Okay, so this is Kasol, and do we know for what Kasol is famous for? So we have reached Manikaran. थोड़ी मेमोरीज है मुझको यहाँ की. बहुत कुछ बदल गया है यहाँ पे. बहुत कुछ आ गया है, बहुत कुछ चले गया है, ऐसा I feel it. I will go there in some time. First we'll have food over here and then we'll go there. I was asking him about this place, like how it was 20 years back, but he's here since 10 years, so he doesn't know. Anyways.
तोड़ डाल ये.
तोड़ डाल.
तुअर.
This will be easily around 2 degrees, 1 degree. The temperature is dropping like really fast, and okay. Hot water is coming. Okay, so that's the natural hot spring water. Sadly, I'm not allowed to go shoot inside because people are taking bath inside. I mean, they are wearing the clothes, but still. Now we are going back to the hotel, and as you can clearly see, it's completely dark and it's very cold. Situation ये है कि सबकी फटी पड़ी है, मेरी भी, because I'm just wearing a t-shirt like an idiot. But it's okay, इसमें भी kick है, and I don't think I'll be able to talk much. Let me reach the hotel and then I'll tell you what all stuff happened to us. Okay? Oh my. Okay, back to the room. Now again we are going out to the mall road, right, Nishan? अभी हम लोग की बज गई बैंड. While coming back, it was very cold. As you can clearly see by my face, बैंड बज गई पूरी तरह से. देखो. और बाद में जब रूम में आए तो देखो स्पाइडर ओवर देयर, बिग स्पाइडर ओवर देयर, उसमें अभी हम लोग की क्या बोलो अभी वो हटाया। हाँ
बैंड की बेड बजा दी।
I transferred everything to my laptop. I wanted to edit the trailer, but then we have to go out, and right now it's 9:42 in the evening, and I want to show you guys the mall road. It's really nice, and you get a lot of stuff over there. Shan, क्या मिलता है special?
लेदर जैकेट्स मिलते हैं, शूज है, वॉचेस है, पर्स है, सब मिलता है।
तो मैं पूरा वीडियो बनाऊं वॉचेस का, पर्स का।
चोर बाजार मनाली का।
मनाली का चोर बाजार वीडियो है। अभी हम लोग मॉल मार्केट में आए। मॉल रोड। जिशान भाई की वजह से आए। हाथ पैर सब फ्रीज हो गए। It's easily around -2 degrees.
नॉनवेज यही मिलता है ना,
हलाल यही मिलता है, इसके लिए यहाँ पर है। बट मैं तो यार दाल रोटी में जिंदा रह सकता हूँ ना।
मतलब फ्राइड राइस
चिली चिकन मिल जाएगा ना।
कौन सा होटल है?
होटल मुगल दरबार है ना।
So we are at होटल मुगल दरबार
मनाली।
मेरा वो मुंह फ्रीज हो गया
बहुत।
ओके यार,
एक काम करो,
खाना खा के बात करते हैं। My God, while coming back, पैंट बच गई यार। इतनी ठंडी थी, I can't tell you. First thing Wasim did is he just went inside the blanket, and Kaleem is taking the heat from the heater, and Zishan is just standing over there waiting for the extra blanket. And yeah, so that's about it, guys. This was a short trip of Manali. Tomorrow we will be heading back. Yeah, I know it was a short trip, but then जितना टाइम निकाल सके निकाला, जितना पैसा स्पेंड कर सके किया। अभी कल निकल जाएंगे। सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग टिल नाउ। I hope you like this video. I guess you like this video. कुछ कमी रह गई तो sorry, because trust me on that, this was the most difficult ride for me to vlog. Thank you for watching this video, guys. As always, shukran alvida, masalama, take care, and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. Bye bye from Wasim, Kaleem. Bye bye from Zishan, and sleep well. Bye bye.
आप साइड हो गए, फट गई।